Hello everyone and welcome to another one of our daily forex analysis. Today we are going to have a look at the dollar yen. We're going to go over the higher time frames and then drop down to a lower one where we are going to be looking for trading opportunities. Okay, before I start though, I just want to remind you that you can join our free Telegram channel where we send out ton of free and valuable information. You can find a link in the description down below, so make sure to check it out so you can stay up to date with all of our analysis and pretty much all the setups that we're looking at. Okay, we've also got a premium Telegram channel where we send out specific trade signals. We help you out with trade management on a daily basis, and we give you ton of valuable information. Okay, so let's begin now. We are currently looking at the dollar yen, like I said, on the daily chart. And what we have here is this downtrend which lasted for quite some time. Price then broke above previous high right here, breaking outside of this descending trend line as well, and so we were expecting an upside continuation. Now in this whole move we managed to make a few entries, and our last one was right around the end of March, and we entered at the 109.10 level all the way up to the 110.9 level, so pretty much right at the top of that candle right here on the wick. So spot on exit of the trade, and what we saw then was an impulse down to the 38.2 level. Again, market forming a bottom right here at the fib retracement level, and it's now back to the upside. Okay, now recently we haven't traded the dollar yen pair directly, but we've decided to get involved in other positions across the yen cross pairs, because as you can see, price action here on dollar yen kind of choppy, so we knew it's not going to present us with that clear decent setups that we're looking for. So what we expect in the long term is a weak yen, and so that means we should see price reaching this previous high. Okay, if we are looking for a certain level, I would say we should draw a resistance zone instead, because this whole zone right here is our resistance. And so if we look at this situation, we've got about 70 pips to the upside. Okay, but I wanted to say that we did have some nice opportunities yesterday before this last impulse, or maybe even down here. So whoever managed to get in a long trade around those levels, well, that's great. But if we're looking for trades now, as you can see, there's about 70 pips to our next major resistance, and although price action is looking good, if we have to find the right place for our stop loss, I'm not sure if we're gonna get a decent risk to reward ratio. However, as you can see, we've got this low, price then creating a higher high, again higher low, and if I switch over to the hourly chart, what we had here was a break above this previous high, price now retesting it, and like I said, I'm expecting an upside continuation. So if you're looking for a day trading opportunities, you could be looking for long trades here on dollar yen. If we have to look at a specific entry levels, like I said, I wouldn't enter a trade right now because we've got those 70 pips to the upside, which we don't even know if we will get, but then at the same time we will have to place a stop loss of just over 70 pips. So like I said, not a great risk to reward ratio. However, if we do get a positive news for the dollar again tonight, well then those 70 pips are pretty much nothing, and I think this pair could make them in a matter of a couple of hours. So again, looking at the higher time frame, and if we have to look at previous highs, although I expect market will reach previous highs, I'm just saying right now is not the right time to enter a trade. As you can see, we've already reached that previous high here, and that's where we exit our trade. But as of right now, we are just going to be waiting. Now if you're trading on the lower time frames, then maybe you can trade the pullbacks here and looking for targets and stop loss on the time frame that you're trading on. Okay, but if you're looking for setups on the hourly, the 4-hour chart, I would say just wait out for the news, and then we'll see how price action looks. And meanwhile, you could look at the yen cross pairs, because some of them are currently in a retracement. so they might actually present you with a better opportunity. And also on gold, if you look at price action here, we had a break below this previous low right here. Price then retested it with a long wick to the upside and another strong impulse, and then market eventually reaching the 23.6 level, something that we commented on with our members. Okay, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, make sure to check out our free Telegram channel, and also put in the comments down below what other currency pair or instrument do you want us to analyze, and so we are going to make it happen for you. You can find all of our social media in the description down below. We've also got a trading view channel where we post daily analysis as well, so check that out. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, and I wish you all a successful trading.